in our bikes.
The fuel got empty. So we went to the nearby bunk.
So now we are enjoying our nature.
Yeah, also he's attending the nature call.
Yes.
Look at the view of the mountains at the secret waterfall. It's absolutely stunning with a waterfall falling on the mountains. And after the path is also very good. And how are you feeling the road?
Yeah, so it's very fantastic, I think so.
You can see it's raining and also you can see the sun at the backside. Both at a time.
Crazy. It's a crazy. It's a wonderful.
It's raining heavily. We are stopping here for some time and we'll be starting towards the secret waterfall where we'll be doing our rappelling. So we have parked our bikes over there and from there it is around 10 minutes trek to reach the secret waterfall. So come, let's move. Due to heavy rains here, the path is completely filled with water. We need to remove our footwear here and that's the point over there. From there we need to do the cliff jump.